Hi guys, I'm back with a review of beer. This time I brought the Kingfisher Ultra Max beer. This is come to the premium strong beer category, as it's very costly in the Kingfisher category. Has Kingfisher Premium, Kingfisher Strong, Kingfisher Ultra. Then it's come to the Kingfisher Ultra Max, which is a very strong beer. And I like the package of the Kingfisher Ultra, as it comes with black and gold, and the beer also looks in the golden color. And I bought this from the Telangana state, as Andhra Pradesh, don't think about it also. Andhra Pradesh not having any this popular kind of beers at all. Even if it's have, its cost is very much high. I bought the Point, which cost me around 130 rupees, and let's check the ingredients that are used in it. They are used the water, malted barley, rice, maize, sugar. They added the sugar. Yeah, that's not good. Ethyl alcohol, hops, yeast, and natural color. This comes with the this type, what we can say, we just pop it like this without any opener required, which is good. And it comes with the transparent glass. I don't like the beers which are from the transparent bottles, and maybe it's kept in the sunlight may change the taste, that's why. And I have the beer glass. Let's pour and taste, see the taste, smell, everything. If you drink this beer, you will hot in your house or not. Let's check it out with that smell. Okay, wow, smoking. Last time videos you said that I don't know how to pour the beer. Now I got the tripod stand, so check how I am pouring the beer this time. This is the way to pour the beer, man. Yeah, it's look very clear lager beer. Oh, like every Kingfisher beer has carbonation is very high. You can see the bubbles are running up like a race, which is not good. That's why I don't drink directly from the bottle. It may give me acidity, and the froth stays little long. And let's smell it and taste it. Once I check the recording is continuing or not. Yeah, this recording is continuing. Okay, let's find the smell. Whoa, adding the sugar, I can feel the very much hot smell. You can smell like a light beer. Yeah, I feel some citrusy notes. No, not finding any grassy like we find in the British Empire beers. Wow, I like the smell. Yeah, really. Let's find the taste. Wow, excellent. It's very smooth. Wow, man, no bitter taste at all. Even ladies can drink also. As it ultra is also they said that it is similar to Corona, not coronavirus, Corona beer. Indian Corona, they say that Indian Corona is Kingfisher Ultra, similar taste, but in the form of strong beer. Very smooth, very refreshing. Outside it's raining heavily. You can find you can hear the thunders also, and inside I am having my chilled beer. Cheers up, guys. For the price, you are paying, it's totally justified. I really like the Kingfisher Ultra Max taste. No, you don't find any they added the hops makes bitter taste. No bitter taste, very smooth. You can have it with biryanis, tandooris, whatnot. Especially with spicy food, you can have it and enjoy it. Okay, cheers guys. Please do like my videos and subscribe it. I am doing the videos without knowing to my parents, in secretly I am doing. Please understand my effort, and all the beer reviews are coming. I am finding difficulty in having the beers outside. They are almost every beer I have reviewed it. Maybe availability. Only one beer I have not reviewed, but most of the times I drink that beer only. That is Bira Boom. Soon I am going to review it. It's best beer available in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, let's find it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, comment, and share. Please do subscribe. Bye.